In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace unable to confirm your age. If Facebook Marketplace is telling you it can't confirm your age, the issue is usually related to your date of birth on your account or a verification step that still needs to be completed. Facebook only allows Marketplace access for users who meet the legal adult age requirement in their country, which is often 18 or older. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your account information is correct. Start by opening the Facebook mobile app. Tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. From there, go into Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, open Meta Account Center. Depending on your app version, this may appear near the top or closer to the bottom of the settings page. Once you're in Meta Account Center, tap Personal Details, then select Birthday, tap Edit, and carefully review your birth date, especially the year. Make sure it correctly shows that you are an adult according to your country's age requirements, then save the change. This is important because even one incorrect digit in the birth year can prevent marketplace access. If you've updated your birthday and Facebook still says it cannot confirm your age, the next step is identity verification. Go back to the identity confirmation section in Meta Account Center and tap Confirm Your Identity. Facebook may give you a few different verification options. One option is to upload a photo of a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. If you choose this method, place the ID on a flat, dark surface and make sure the lighting is bright enough to avoid shadows or glare. Try to capture the image clearly so that all four edges of the document are fully visible. A clean, sharp image gives you the best chance of approval on the first try. Another option Facebook may offer is a video selfie through Yoti, which is a third-party age verification service. Just follow the on-screen prompts to record a short video selfie. This is used to estimate whether you are an adult for access purposes. If your document gets rejected, don't panic. Facebook usually sends a notification explaining the reason, such as a blurry image or information that doesn't match your account. In that case, go to the official Facebook ID support page and submit a new, clearer photo that matches your account details. Take your time with each step, make sure your information is accurate, and your verification should go much more smoothly.